The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department and the New York Emergency Management Agency. At 8:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, many reports of a red beam of light coming out of homes, apartments, hotels and other buildings were reported in the city of New York City. It is unknown what is the cause of this event, but all residents must remain vigilant at this time. Stay tuned for more information whenever it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Emergency Management. The New York State 911 is currently out of service due to a power failure in every telephone lines in areas of New York. In case of an emergency, please call your local police, fire or medical services as 911 phone lines are out of service. Repeat, the New York State 911 is currently out of service due to a power failure in every telephone lines in areas of New York. In case of an emergency, please call your local police, fire or medical services as 911 phone lines are out of service.
Good evening, and thank you for tuning in to NBC4 News. I am your host, Mike Harris, and here is some tonight's breaking news. The New York City Police Department reported a red flashing light appearing in houses, apartments, hotels, and other buildings in most areas of New York City. It is unknown what is causing these red flashing lights to appear, but scientists believe that every light appears to turn red, which will cause every power lines to be affected. But this can also cause permanent blindness to every person who tries to make contact with the red light. For now, I am on the phone with our correspondent Connor, who is currently in the upstate New York area. Connor, can you tell us what we saw as of right now?
Mike, I am here in the upstate New York area where it is currently pitch black as there is a lot of houses without power.
How many houses do we live without power?
I can count about 28 houses currently without electricity and about 16 of them with viable power generators, as I can see lights currently on. I can also see that there's many power lines down, with some even catching fire due to this.
What do you have to say to everyone in the upstate New York area?
So, to everyone in the upstate New York area, please take precautions as there are power outages in your area. Back to you, Mike.
In other news, a 911 phone outage was reported in the city of New York, which is due to a power failure damaging every power grid and power lines. The state of New York is asking everyone to call your local police department, fire station, or medical services in case of an emergency, as 911 phone lines are currently out of service. We will continue to provide updates as more information becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department. All residents in New York City are now ordered to shelter in place immediately. At 10:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the New York City Police Department has reported residents were seen getting killed by the red light. Many people and animals were seen getting killed or becoming blind by the red light. Police and law enforcement have confirmed that an estimated 150 deaths and 94 injuries were reported due to the red light. At this time, all residents in New York City and surrounding areas are now advised to shelter in place. Close and lock all windows and doors, and barricade them with a heavy piece of item. Turn off all air ventilations, and close all fireplace dampers. Be sure you cover all windows and doors to protect yourself from the red light. Stock up all items such as food and water. If you are outside, avoid looking at the red light until you find shelter. If there is no shelter nearby, find the nearest ditch or tunnel. If you leave your shelter, you will be exposing yourself to the red light, which will cause permanent blindness and certain death. Stay tuned to a radio, commercial radio, or internet outlets for the latest details about the situation.
Paint a picture with my hands. And back and forth we sway like branches in a storm. Change the weather, still together when it ends. That may be all I need. Darkness, she is.
Thank you for listening to WNYE FM. We are currently interrupting programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Emergency Management. This is an update to the civil danger warning that was issued at 10:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The red light, that was causing damage to every parts of New York, has been reported to cause major damages in the upstate New York area, including metropolitan New York and the city of New York City. It has been stated that the red light is causing many residents to become blind or get electrocuted to death. Local law enforcement officials have also confirmed that the red light is considered to be called the red flash. The red flash is a type of event known for causing power outages in the United States and causing permanent blindness or getting electrocuted if encountered. It is unknown if this event is confirmed to be real, but it is expected that the red flash will continue to devastate the New York City area within the next hour. At this time, all residents are advised to continue to shelter in place until further notice. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is the New York Emergency Management Agency with an important message. The red flash that was causing damages to the upstate New York area, as well as the city of New York City, has now been reported in all parts of New York. In addition, this event is causing massive damages and power outages, as well as making people going blind by looking at the red flash. It has been confirmed by the New York State officials that the red flash is now confirmed to be a real event, and it is expected to devastate New York within the next hours. The New York State Police is issuing a statewide stay-at-home order until further notice. Please be sure to gather items such as food and water. Do not attempt to look at the red flash, as this will result in permanent blindness or getting electrocuted only to face certain death. Barricade and cover all entrances, such as doors or windows, with a heavy piece of furniture. Seek a place of safety immediately and stay tuned for more updates on the situation.
This is a breaking news bulletin from ALT 92.3.
Good evening, everyone. We have interrupted this programming to bring out a breaking news bulletin. The New York City State Emergency Management officials are in a huge crisis as of right now. The state of New York is experiencing a statewide power outage, which is caused by the red flash. This event is confirmed that anyone caught outside will be exposed themselves to the red flash, leading to a permanent blindness or getting electrocuted. We have reports from New York State Police Departments that 200 casualties and over 92 injuries were reported in the last couple of hours. We hope that this situation comes to an end soon. But as of times, officials have set up shelter-in-place orders for the state of New York. Lock all doors and windows and barricade them to the best of your ability. There are some shelters-in-place orders in parts of New York, including Manhattan, Bronx, Brooklyn, and Long Island. Please remember to keep your cell phone in case of emergency. We will continue to cover this breaking news as more information becomes available.
Safety alert! Safety alert!
All residents in New Jersey and surrounding areas are advised to stay inside at the time being. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey Emergency Management Agency and the New Jersey State Police. As of 11:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, residents in the affected areas have been experiencing permanent blindness, as well as getting electrocuted by the red flash. Multiple deaths and injuries were reported, including some homes were seen without power. This is also similar to what happened in New York around 8:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At this time, the New Jersey Emergency Management as well as the New Jersey State Police is issuing a statewide stay-at-home order until further notice. If you are outside, get inside to a sturdy shelter immediately. Do not go outside, as you will be exposing yourself to the red flash, which may result in certain death. Get inside immediately.
At this time, the New Jersey Emergency Management and the New Jersey State Police are advising everyone in New Jersey to shelter indoors until further notice. WZXL-FM will be on the emergency program mode in case anything bad is happening to New Jersey. Normal programming will now resume.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in this emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNYW Channel 5 New York. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you're not in this local area, you must tune to a station providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Please stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will soon speak on the air.
The following message has been authorized to be transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. At midnight Eastern Daylight Time, the event, also known as the Red Flash, that was causing damage to New York and New Jersey, has been reported in every part of the United States, including Alaska, Hawaii, and all U.S. territories. This event is causing power outages to all homes, damaging power lines, and 911 outages, with some reports of people getting blind or electrocuted by the Red Flash. It has also been stated that over 1,000 deaths and 19,000 injuries were reported in these last couple of hours. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration have confirmed that the Red Flash is now considered to be deadly towards humans, and many fatalities were reported as well by the Red Flash. It is now confirmed by NASA that the Red Flash will continue to devastate the entire continent of North America, and it is expected to spread into Central and Southern America within the next hour. At this time, the United States government has issued a nationwide stay-at-home order until further notice. All residents in the United States, no matter what state or region you are in, should seek immediate shelter, close and lock all windows and doors, and barricade them with heavy items such as a furniture or table. Please be sure that you cover all windows to protect yourself from the Red Flash. Seek shelter with food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, a first aid kit, and a battery power or hand crank radio with extra batteries. If you are outside during this event, do not look at the Red Flash, as doing so will result you in permanent blindness or death. Be sure that you hide into a building or a tunnel. Most importantly, stay calm, as panicking will worsen the situation. Please stay tuned to your local radio, commercial radios, or internet source to keep you updated for more information on this life-threatening situation. Stay inside and do not go outside, or you'll face certain death.
Good evening. Over the past few hours, there have been sightings of the Red Flash reported in every part of North America, as well as portions of Central and Southern America. The Red Flash is a type of event when a solar flare has been contaminated and mutated into a bright reddish color due to the sun's magnetic fields being higher and higher. Thousands of deaths and injuries were reported due to the Red Flash, causing permanent blindness to others who have looked at it for a long period. With our investigation, we will try to prevent the Red Flash from spreading into continents of Africa, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. It is unknown when this event will come to an end, but me and my team will come up with a plan to stop the Red Flash from spreading to parts of the world. We would like to thank you for taking your time to hear this message. Thank you for your cooperation.
All clear. Repeating, all clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is an all clear message. The event, known as the Red Flash, that was causing damage to the United States, including parts of Northern, Central, and Southern America, has now disappeared. You are now free to exit your shelter. Please note that there are a lot of power lines being down in some areas of the United States, so please remember to take precautions to prevent any accidental electrocutions. Repeating, the danger of the red flash is now over, and all residents are now free to exit your shelter. Your government would like to thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. All regular programming operations will now resume normally.